Hello! Namaste! Mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Hands On Happy Hands. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thank you! Happy hands making! This video is especially dedicated to Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, or famously known as Mahatma Gandhi. Today is his birthday. He was born on October 2, 1869. He is 150 years old now. His birthday is a national holiday in India. It is also the International Day of Non-Violence. Let me share to you some beautiful quotations from Mahatma Gandhi. He quoted, "Be the change that you want to see in the world." A man is but a product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, what you do are in harmony. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn if you were to live forever. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. Please like and share the video, and remember to subscribe to my channel, Hands On Happy Hands, with me, Princess. Thank you very much for watching!